How to recover your lost snap streaks. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily recover your Snapchat streaks without paying. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to your channel as well. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Snapchat, and once your Snapchat is open, actually Snapchat offers you 5 free restores on a month, so you can do up to 5 restores in a month. But if you've exceeded that limit, then this is how you can restore your streaks without paying. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your profile at the top left corner, and from here tap on the top right to head over to settings. Now you just have to scroll down a bit until you see support and feedback. Now here you can see directly I've lost my snap streak, but if you don't see it, you can head over to help center first, and after this you can see the shortcuts where it says I lost my snap streak. Just tap on it. Snapchat offers you a way on how you can restore a streak, but if any of this didn't work, you can fill out this form. So just tap on this, and here you just have to enter all of your details like your Snapchat username, your email address, your phone number, and your the friend that you want to restore your streak with. And after you do that, you just submit the report, but it may take up to 2 hours to receive a response at the email that you've provided on the form. And after this, Snapchat should bring out a possible solution to restore your streak. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.